Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Sorento. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 185 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display, dust sensing headlights and external temperature display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.